In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a tag color in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're in the specific Asana project where you've already created and applied your tags. This is essential because you'll be customizing a tag that's already in use within this particular project. Once you're within that project, it's time to locate the tag you want to modify visually. Now, look for the tag you want to change. You can usually find it in your task list or on the board view, depending on how you've set up your project. Once you've found the specific tag, click on it to highlight it. Next to the tag title, you should see a small caret icon, which looks like a downward-facing triangle. This icon is your gateway to tag customization. Go ahead and click on that little caret. When you do, a drop-down menu will pop up showing you various options related to that tag. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Set Color. Clicking on that will present you with a delightful color palette. It's like picking out a fresh coat of paint for your task tags. So, take your time to browse through the available color options. Think about what best fits your task categorization needs, or what will help you visually organize your projects more effectively. Once you've found a color that you like, simply click on your preferred choice, and voila! The change will be applied to the tag immediately. This is great because it keeps everything simple and streamlined. Now, it's important to verify that the tag color has been updated across all the associated tasks in your project. Sometimes changes might not pop up instantly, so give it a moment. You can quickly scroll through your tasks or refresh the page to see if the new color is displayed correctly for all the tasks linked with that tag. And just like that, you've changed a tag color in Asana. This can make a big difference in how you view your projects, helping you to quickly identify different categories or priorities at a glance. Remember, using color effectively can enhance your workflow and make collaboration even easier. It's one small step, but it can have a significant impact on your project management experience. Now that you've followed these simple steps, go ahead and check your result. Make sure that everything looks just how you want it. If you've successfully updated your tag color, congratulations! You've just added a personal touch to your project management tool. If you enjoyed today's tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Asana and other useful tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you